Hey guys, Firecrackersam here. We're kind of on the doing a lot of demos tonight because we're bored and have some fireworks. So tonight we're gonna do the big gold sparklers, and these have wooden sticks. If you can see that, they're bamboo, which are pretty cool instead of the metal. So I guess it's a little safer, but always gotta take caution. Anyway. First one, and I believe these are number 8. Just your standard sparkler. Only problem I noticed with these is, instead of the, yeah, I already saw it. Instead of, like with the metal ones, the metal's not going to melt off, but the wood burns off, as you can see. I'll show you at the end. Yeah, see, it's falling off right now. Zoom in on that. Or just get closer. They have a nice duration, but that wood thing is just, you gotta be careful with kids. Oh, and turn the flashlight. See that? Flashlight up here on this. Yeah. See, it fell off. See? Falls right off. I guess it's eco-friendly, but see, this ground is wet. It's been a kind of rainy day. But if you're lighting it in a really dry area, you gotta be careful with these. We gotta be careful with any fireworks. Be extra careful with these. Second one. See, if you're like swinging it around like this, that wood could go flying off in some direction. You don't want that. I like how they burn kind of slow. So duration on them. With these special effects sparklers, they just burn really fast, and although they're really cool, it just feels like you get less for your money. And these are a really good price, probably like $8 or something, or maybe less. I don't know. I always forget prices. Ooh. See, that's why you gotta wear cotton. Cotton doesn't burn. Number 3. So, I'm kind of figuring this out. Instead of kind of flicking it like this, hold it still and move it like that. It doesn't put as much pressure on it. I love the regular sparklers a lot more than the morning glories. The morning glories are cool. These sparklers, I just like the effect much more. Again, you got red hot piece right there, just ready to fall off. And again, it fell off. Holding on, number 4. Oh, and come up here and light this. Come up here and hold this. I'll do the flashlight. You can move it around a little bit. Just be careful you don't flick it to yourself. There you go. Want to light one more? Toss it in the grass, it's wet. There you go. Toss the other part in the grass. I'm mowing it tomorrow, it's all good. There you go. Damn it. There you go. You can hold it up on. It's not gonna burn you, just be careful with it. This is number 5, I believe, right? I lost count. Yes, number 5. Go ahead and drop it. Hey guys.
Hey, it's a match.
Flashlight. On me. On me.
What?
Technical difficulties, guys. Flashlight on me. Okay, guys. Hope you liked our demo tonight.
Oh, it's so good.
And, probably not going to do another one. I've got no more products to demo. Little tiny smoke balls that suck.
And this awesome match, only $8.99.
But thanks for watching our demos and just a little preview to what may come. I'm going to go ahead and stop at the TNT stand because I'm not shooting here this year, but I'd like to just buy a few things to support the local club. And we're going to pick up some, I'm going to try to buy almost all the new products and do some demos on all of those.
Yeah.
Especially the TNT Jumbo Purple Rain. Looks really cool. I gotta try that out. So see you guys hopefully Friday night. Hope you enjoyed the video. Firecrackersam out.